ultimately I took a decision in which I made it very clear that on 22nd November ज्या ज्या लोकांचे हे क्लियर जाला रिजल्ट्स, एक तरी रिजल्ट डिस्प्ले जाला किंवा ज्यांचे लेटर ऑफर ऑफ अपॉइंटमेंट गेल्या तांकां सगळ्यांक प्रोसेस कंटिन्यू करून क्लोज करा. Instructions are issued to do that. Accordingly, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी डिपार्टमेंटान अनेक जाणांची अपॉइंटमेंट जाल्यो, विमेन एंड चायल्ड डिपार्टमेंटान जाल्यो. आतां म्हाका दिसता टॅक्सटायल तातूंत कितें तरी जाल्ल्यो, ताकाय कितें थोडें ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन आशिल्लें, म्हणजे क्लॅरिफिकेशन आशिल्लें तेंय क्लियर केलां. 600 पोस्ट आउट ऑफ so called 1000 more or less which were in process have been cleared already. म्हाका दिसता एक 300-400 पोस्टान बहुतेक पोस्ट were at very initial stage except the fire service where exam was taken on the date of, but no results had been published or given on 22nd November. Henceforth, whenever post is advertised, we will try and see that it is at least process is completed within 6 months. कारण भुरग्यांक ते 2-2 वर्सां हुमकळायत दवरप हें बरोबर दिसना म्हाका. म्हयन्या भितर अनेक डिपार्टमेंटाचे क्लियर जातले. The mechanism is simple. Instead of moving it on the file, do it through committees of the concerned officers. They sit and work out the requirement. एकूच advertise वर्साक काडा. So timetable is very simple. This year it will start from December. Next year it will start from January. Next year म्हणजे 19. In the first 3 months, the department has to identify what are the vacancies available and what are the vacancies that are likely to be created up to December of that year. All vacancies will have to be advertised in one advertisement only. So one stroke advertise, so महीन्या भितर complete करा recruitment. I think that should reduce lot of anxiety of people and reduce lot of multiplicity